Ever imagined your handcrafted garden art making a difference? Picture it on the lush front lawn of the Buffalo and Erie County Botanical Gardens, surrounded by like-minded art enthusiasts. Welcome to Gardens Buffalo Niagara's Garden Art Sale, a curated event that unites more than 50 vendors, all showcasing their unique garden art pieces. This year's event is happening on the 29th and 30th of June 2024. With an anticipated attendance of more than 4,500 motivated buyers, it's a fantastic opportunity to present your work, engage with the community, and contribute to a larger cause. Proceeds from the event benefit community beautification grants and support garden tourism. Get your applications in by the 25th of March 2024. It's a juried show, so the selection process is meticulous. Notifications will be sent out by the 3rd of April 2024. Now let's talk details. The fees for a 2-day vendor are $250 for a 10x10 booth. For 1-day vendors, it's $200, and if it's your first time ever vending at a sale anywhere, there's a one-time starter seller offer of a $50 booth fee, where you will share a tent with another starter seller. Remember, you'll be responsible for your setup and teardown, but there will be plenty of help if needed. And while there's no access to electricity, the natural ambiance of the botanical gardens will provide a backdrop that's both inspiring and inviting. One last thing, all vendors must donate one item to the basket raffle. It's a wonderful way to give back and get involved. So imagine your treasures in the spotlight, making a difference. Picture the smiles, the conversations, the connections, and the sales. Now make that image a reality. Apply before the deadline and be a part of this vibrant community-building event. Your garden art-related treasures await their moment in the sun.